Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a golf drive. First, let's talk about ball position. For a powerful drive, place the golf ball off the heel of your lead foot. Your feet should be slightly wider than shoulder width apart for a stable base. Make sure the ball is teed up so about half of it is visible above the top of your driver's club face. This setup promotes an upward strike. Next, let's refine your stance and alignment. Bend your knees slightly and maintain an athletic posture, feeling balanced and ready. Your shoulders should be square to your target line, pointing directly where you want the ball to go. Crucially, align your hips parallel to that same target line. This ensures your body is properly oriented for a straight shot. Now, let's focus on your grip and weight distribution. A neutral grip, where your hands work together, offers the best control and power. Initially, distribute your weight evenly, about 50-50, between both feet. As you prepare to swing, subtly shift approximately 55% to 60% of your weight onto your trail side. This preload helps generate power on the downswing. Finally, establish a consistent pre-shot routine to mentally prepare for each drive. Take a practice swing, visualize your desired shot trajectory, and commit to your target. A good routine builds confidence and consistency. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. With these steps, you're well on your way to hitting longer, straighter drives. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.